Mary Gamester, and I'm now going to show you how to use lace as part of your design with transfer painting. Now let me show you the materials you're going to need to get going with the lace printing. Now you need lace, and it has to be very cheap nylon lace. No use having your wonderful cotton heirloom lace. It is too thick to work, so it needs to be the cheapest and the thinnest nylon lace that you can find. Synthetic, because I'll explain in a minute or two why it works best. So we need, for my wall hanging and the one that you will perhaps be doing, it will be vivid violet and royal blue, in keeping with the theme in the previous videos. We will also need painted paper. This can be painted with 2 or 3 colours, allowed to run into each other, and if you wish, you can use the bubble wrap to take some of the paint off while it's wet and give you this effect. We need to cut the lace into lengths ready to use. Right, now I'm going to show you the process, and first of all you need to paint up your paper with the 2 selected colours. This can be your choice obviously, but mine is the royal blue and the purple. Once that's dry, you leave it on one side to dry. Get your lace and cut a length that you require. Place it on the, sorry, I can't make it fit. Place it on your fabric, and then when the paper is dry, iron it over here with a very hot iron as usual. This is just a dry run, as I have done it before to show you how it will look. Then you will have this gorgeous lace pattern on your fabric with a lovely coloured background. Now the lace will have picked up, while you're ironing the colour over it, the lace will have picked up the colour, so you can remove that, lay it down on the paper and iron it again, and you will find it gives a very, very faint lace. Depending on the lace, it can be more or less effective, but it just gives you a hint of the lacy pattern, which gives another background, maybe for a different part of the project. Now the lace is so beautiful that I use that as well, and I apply that onto the fabric for the design. This will show you how it is when you've put the lace on and ironed the paper over it, and gives you this design as I've demonstrated. And then with the coloured lace itself, I have applied it in the quilt, and I find these little bits are quite useful as a filling an area, because when you're building up the quilt, you'll have certain larger areas, and this is quite a handy bit, either for a small border, or you could even frame a whole area with a lace border. Thank you for watching this. I hope you have enjoyed it. I have loved sharing this technique with you, and I look forward to showing you further techniques in a week or so's time.